right, unboxing. This is for the past month and a half or so. This is unboxing of various sources. This has got the latest Sailor Moon calendar. This has got something from Good Smile, which you know what they make. And this is a challenge that came from Facebook. Some scam, one of scam ads, and nearly every single ad on Facebook is a frickin' scam, was offering a anime character phone holder. And I don't know what the price was, but I think they was charging more than I got. This came off eBay for about $5 and change. And I've had it sitting here because I haven't had space on my device to do a video. And already a minute in, and we're finally opening it up. Yeah. So this came all the way from China via Orange Connect, I think. Orange Connects, whatever that means. And it's an anime character phone holder. So we'll move this over here. My tetanus scissors, and we'll try to cut this open real quick. Let's not waste people's time. They've got places to be, people to do. I mean, whatever. People to see. Ha ha ha. I make funny. So this is the typical styrofoam packaging as they've been using lately out of China. My tetanus blades here, scissors. Okay, we cut that one. And let's see here. Plus, I had to find a good time in which the trains weren't going past, because I live really close to some train tracks. Well, the building I'm in. I don't want to be here, but hey, things are what they are. Okay, I haven't opened it. I haven't left feedback for it. We got some radioactive packaging here, and then, well, you do know styrofoam is slightly radioactive, right? And when you burn it, it shrinks. So burn your styrofoam. Watch it shrink. Those are fun. I spent many hours putting styrofoam peanuts and watching them shrink into nothing. Okay, what do we get? Oh, did we get what was advertised? It looks very tan. Okay, we got plastic. So what do we say to this anime character? We say, assume the position. Well, that's quite a position. And as I feel on this, I haven't looked at it closely yet. The molding is not perfect. I feel a little bumps right here, which means I could take my tetanus blade, my X-Acto knife tetanus blade, and trim stuff. But, yeah. Boy, she's got something in that stomach, all right. I don't even know the character. That's the thing. Oh. Well, maybe we need to boil and stretch that out. Well, generic anime character, she definitely doesn't look like somebody. She's supposed to be somebody, I think. I'd have to take a look. But boy, that's really orange. More orange than it really needs to be. All right, on to the next one. She'll be used as a phone holder. Next one. We'll do the next easiest one. Put this down here. This is the Sailor Moon calendar. As soon as it became available and they had a sale for basically enough money off that I got the shipping paid for by the discount, I said, yeah, $10. $10 for the... I hate paying full price for shipping, and you shouldn't pay full price either. And we got a shipping slip in there. This time it wasn't overly bent, so let me... Yep. As long as this company keeps making Sailor Moon calendars, I'll keep buying them. Because there was a while there that they weren't making them. All right. Sailor Moon, the 2024 calendar. Oh boy. Mead was like, hey, you want to buy a calendar? And I'm like, no, I got it covered. It didn't come from, it wasn't listed in previews again, because previews likes to list calendars. This is the artwork. Calendar Inc. Thank you, Calendar Inc., for doing it again. Continue to make these. And then the last thing is from Good Smile. And use my tetanus blades, my tetanus scissors. I had this delayed shipping, the shipping delayed for a week because they still had my old credit card info, and according to their information, they don't charge until they ship. And I placed this pre-order back in February, and since then I had some asshole try to access my credit card. Thankfully, fraud people caught it. And I had to update my info. They wouldn't let me update the info before they tried. And so I had to wait for the email to say, hey, you got to update. And so I updated it, and then they finally go, oh yeah, here we go. This was an easy decision. Ooh, I feel something. Ooh. Okay, we'll let that out because that was loud. It might scare some people. But it won't scare me. Oh, it's like a present. It's Christmas. This was an easy purchase. Easy decision. Kaito St. Tail. Doesn't get enough recognition or respect or anything. Once again, let me check from the bottom. Yeah, we gotta make noise. Let me pause this. Alright, we slice the one sticker. There's no other stickers. And we do this. We do this. Ooh, Kaito, St. Tail. Oh, slide her out. Keep the box. And all the instructions are in Japanese. Or I think we got Chinese on one side. I don't know if it's Chinese simplified or what. But she was an easy purchase. We got Ruby, we got the stick, we got St. Tail herself. Hanayoka Mamie. Now, if they ever come out with Mimori Sera, who's voiced by Kikuko, One-sama. Oh, cadmium orange. I once painted a vinyl figure of St. Tail, and I had to use cadmium orange for the proper color. Let me get this off here. Alright, so willing to teach you how to take the parts off, that the parts come off. They put some of the packing plastic so that you have to take the parts off. See, you had to take the head off and take both of her arms off to get that packing plastic. And then, come on. You have to take her legs off in order to get that packing plastic off. And I don't like doing that. All right. I don't exactly like taking apart that. I know it's meant to be. It's the way it's meant to be. It's made to be able to do that, but I don't. Yay. So I have the Saint Tail vinyl figure that came out years ago. I have the Saint Tail doll. I have the Saint Tail vinyl kit. In fact, I have an unmade vinyl kit, which I'm trying to figure out what to do with. And now I have the Saint Tail Nendoroid. So it's all Saint Tail all the time. She's gonna steal your heart. And that's it. Gotta do the do or it don't work. And when I put, oh, there it is. All right, that's all my unboxing. Yeah. Dubious. Character of dubious origin. All right. Thank you for watching. I got to edit this because my device was crap. Spoiled Findle mutilate and go lick a hot rail. I don't know. Don't do that. Drink some cider, okay? You can eat it if you freeze it. All right. Thank you.